Assalamu alaikum friends, I am Naveed Aziz from Technology Hub. Welcome to my YouTube channel Technology Hub. In last lecture, I discussed about introduction of Microsoft Excel, and this course is designed for Microsoft Excel course for beginners. Okay, now let's go, and I will discuss about Excel layout in this lecture. Let's go to Excel layout. There are several objectives we are going to cover in this course. First of all, the difference between a workbook and a worksheet. And after that, we will look at the cell names, where they are contained, and how we can change them. And after that, we will explore the formula bar, which is where functions are contained. And last, we will review the ribbon, which is where shortcuts and variety of functions and settings are contained in the spreadsheet. First, when you create a new file, you are generating what's called a workbook. A workbook is the entire Excel file. And the other words, a workbook contains several worksheets with related content, and only one of the worksheet is active. You can see in the bottom left corner of your workbook is what's called a workbook or a tab. And the other words, the terms worksheet used in Excel is a collection of cells organized in rows and columns. It is the working surface you interact with to enter data. This is a single sheet, and multiple sheets can be added or deleted from a workbook. To add a new worksheet, just click the plus arrow to change the name of worksheet. Double click on the name of it in the top left corner of your Excel file. You will see here the cell name. In this case, cursor is in cell A1, and we see the cell named A1. And after to see right of that, this is the formula bar. The formula is where we can build our own formulas beginning with equal sign, or we can use predefined functions that are created by Excel by clicking on little fx icon on the left side of formula bar. You can view a list of functions that already, or search for ones that you want to incorporate into a. Above that, we have the ribbon, and the ribbon contains assortment of useful functions that we are going to cover together in this course. We are going to go through all of these sections of the ribbon across the top, which you can see as being file, home, insert page, layout, formula, data, review, and view. We should point out that in this course we are using Excel 2016. If you are in 2013 or 2010, there should not be any major difference. There may be some minor ones, but you will be just fine in this course. Okay guys, in next lecture we will discuss and hands-on practice of all layout objectives like workbooks, how to interact with the worksheets, cells, formulas, and ribbons. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press on bell icon for upcoming videos. Thank you so much.